Midjourney web interface released with the new AI image editor. When it comes to the play between intricate prompts and its resultant AI image generation, the space has witnessed significant enhancements since its inception, and a facilitator in this domain is emerging as a rising power with the rollout of the web interface of its image generation model. New Midjourney editor's web version. That formidable contender is Midjourney, which has rolled out a web version of its existing image editor. The pioneering class capabilities of the image generation platform have garnered it an unmatched spot among its competitors. The editing interface of Midjourney's new web version entails a range of functionalities merged as one. These features include in-painting, repainting specific parts of an image with new AI-generated visuals using text prompts, out-painting, stretching the boundaries of the image in different directions, and filling the new space with new AI visuals, and many more. On top of it, Midjourney's new web editor also carries a new virtual brush-like tool for in-painting, making it easier to replace the previous square selector and lasso tools while ensuring a greater extent of accuracy in terms of tweaking an existing AI-generated image. After having been released, the new Midjourney web interface is now live, but is exclusively available to users who created at least 10 images on the platform. Users can access Midjourney's new web interface by visiting midjourney.com/imagine. Midjourney CEO David Holt said, "We think this makes editing your Midjourney images way more seamless than before and is a huge step forward."